This is Delhi. Please stand by for our next broadcast. This is All India Radio. On the occasion of Air Force Day 2021, you will now listen to the message by the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, PVSM, AVSM, VM, ADC.
On the occasion of the Air Force Day, on behalf of the Indian Air Force, I extend my warm wishes to the entire nation. As the Indian Air Force celebrates its 89th anniversary on the 8th of October, we look back with pride on having lived up to our motto of Nabha Sprusham Deeptam. Be it safeguarding the nation's skies or responding to any humanitarian crisis or disaster relief, our air warriors have served the nation with utmost commitment and dedication to duty. It is a day when we salute our predecessors whose heroic efforts in the finest traditions of our service have laid the foundation for what the Indian Air Force is today. The year gone by has seen tumultuous change in the lives of people in the entire world. The COVID pandemic has hit all of us hard. I commend all air warriors for their discipline, courage and dedication in rapidly adapting to new procedures and ways of working. This ensured that our ability to work and execute all our tasks continued unhampered without affecting our operational capability. The northern borders of our country have kept us in a state of high alert throughout the year. The response shown by our forces in the shortest possible time to counter any crisis in the most professional manner is known to all. The mobilization of assets and personnel to the most difficult terrain in eastern Ladakh region was a demanding task. We rapidly deployed our combat aircraft, systems and enablers to oppose any nefarious intentions of our adversary. I would like to reassure you that the Indian Air Force is fully prepared and determined to protect our national interests at any cost. The Indian Air Force has been moving steadily on the path of sustained modernization and enhancement of warfighting capabilities. The induction of Rafale, Chinook and Apache aircraft provides a combat edge over our adversaries on the battlefield. As we move forward with procurement of new assets, there is a need to upgrade our legacy combat equipment to prevent obsolescence. The Indian Air Force is totally committed to the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister's call of Atmanirbharta and has been initiating projects and proposals that are developed within the country. The change in procurement policies and amendments in acquisition procedures have given a boost to indigenous R&D and manufacturing to attain self-reliance. We are fully supportive of the LCA program and its planned derivatives. 2 squadrons of LCA Mark I have already been operationalized in our combat fleet. In the next 8 years, commencing from 2024, we would be adding 83 Tejas Mark 1A. The successful integration of BrahMos and Astra missiles on the Su-30 last year are examples of our indigenous prowess. Most of the air defense radars being operated by the Air Force are indigenously manufactured. The development of the Netra AEW&C has been a path-breaking achievement in terms of in-house research and development. We strongly support the indigenous development of the AMCA, the Light Combat Helicopter, the Light Utility Helicopter, the HTT-40 trainer aircraft and the Make in India program of the C-295 transport aircraft. We aim to proactively support development of a robust domestic aerospace ecosystem in India, which is the stepping stone to our strategic autonomy. There has been a paradigm shift in the nature of warfare and hence there is a need to stay abreast with developing technologies. The Indian Air Force's modernization policy provides scope for the industry and academia to participate in developing and provisioning data links, artificial intelligence, big data handling capability, swarm drones, UCAVs and space-based communication and surveillance platforms. In the last year, the Air Force has responded swiftly to calls of humanitarian assistance and disaster relief on a number of occasions within the country and abroad, and have flown extensively in providing relief during the COVID-19 pandemic. The role played by the Indian Air Force in evacuating Indians from Afghanistan due to the unexpected political developments was crucial towards executing the nation's action plan. We strongly believe that synergized and joint operations are the basic tenets of any military operation. The Indian Air Force stands firm in supporting the sister services, upholding the ethos of true jointmanship in safeguarding our national interests at all times whenever called for. I would like to convey my best wishes to all air warriors, veterans and their families on this momentous occasion. Jai Hind.
On the occasion of Air Force Day 2021, you were listening to the message by the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, PVSM, AVSM, VM, ADC. This broadcast came to you from the Delhi station of All India Radio.